According to the National Electrical Code, Article 300.7 bone states conductors installed in a raceway shall not be subject to physical damage. Article 318.10 states cables installed in cable trays, raceways, or similar enclosures shall be supported at intervals not exceeding 6 feet. Laying loose 4/0 conductors in a flow channel without support or protection from physical damage violates the NEC. Here are some options. Firstly, install a raceway with fittings. This involves installing a rigid or flexible metal conduit through the floor, providing support at regular intervals and terminating with appropriate fittings at the panels. Secondly, use a wireway with adapters. Use a wireway with a cover to protect the conductors. Install wireway adapters underneath the flow plates to provide a smooth transition for the conductors coming up through the deck. Secure the wireway appropriately to prevent movement. Thirdly, install a cable tray to support the conductors. Consider using a solid bottom cable tray to prevent damage from below. Fourthly, create an open channel with a polyvinyl chloride or PVC pipe or wireway sleeve. Create a dedicated channel in the floor and embed a polyvinyl chloride pipe or wireway for the conductors to pass through. Ensure the pipe or wireway is large enough to accommodate the conductors and provide sufficient support. The most suitable option depends on the specific conditions and requirements. However, the wireway with adapters solution is often practical, as it provides protection and support for the conductors while allowing for future changes or additions. Ensure the insulation on the conductors is rated for the ambient temperature in the flow channel. If multiple parallel runs are used, bundle the conductors tightly and secure them together using cable ties or electrical tape. Thoroughly label the conductors and provide a pull box or other access point for maintenance or troubleshooting. Choosing the right method is paramount to ensure compliance and safety.